Well Jamaica journeyed to Trenchtown in Kingston 12, a section known as Zimbabwe, to surprise Zann Locke, or fifth unsung heroine, who is most deserving of the prize. Check this.
My name is Zann Locke and I'm a youth coordinator. I'm also a social worker. And I work with youth straight across the 40 parishes of Jamaica. I mostly work with at-risk youth, marginal youth, to develop their skill set and to make them whole so that they can be asset to the country and their communities. Youth work and community work, because I have a love for it. I think it's one of my passions. They said you can have many passions, but I think that is my ideal passion. And they said that you must find your passion. And what I think I drive my young people to do is to find their passion, because once you find your passion, you find your whole and your purpose on earth, and you can fulfill those as you go along.
It's Renard name Anderson, and I have to say first and foremost that speak of Zann Locke, you speak of me, because Zann actually made me who I am where performance is concerned. Through her youth club, Unsung Heroine Youth Club, is where I was introduced to performing. They have this yearly summer concert, and she put it on to teach us all dance moves, drama, act, singing, everything, and we just go and perform for people. And that's where I fell in love with the performance, and that's where I continued. Zann was even the one who gave me the forum to apply for university, because I wasn't even thinking about university at the time. And she gave me the forum as Renard, apply, go ahead, and here I'm almost finished with university. Even with the opportunity I got to go to Scotland to perform, she gave me the workshop form to sign up so I could meet people from Manifest Jamaica. So everything that happened in my life where performance and building myself is concerned happened through Zann Locke.
From CDC, which is the umbrella organization of the community. I also am an executive coordinator for the Youth Vision Youth Club, and also coordinate the Youth Council for the 5 district in Trenchtown, which involves 27,000 people. So if I have 27,000 people living here, you can imagine how much youth.
It was about 9 years ago. I met up with Zann Locke through a youth club called Lead Youth Club. Throughout that time, I was not very outspoken, so to speak. The self-esteem and my assertiveness was very lacking. Didn't know what I wanted to do at the time, even then when I was such a big age, but still never aware of what I wanted. But through Zann and the youth club and the different stuff that they teach us,
so I want to take the opportunity, because this was very surprising, very surprising for Well Jamaica, Unsung Heroine, for giving me the opportunity to be acknowledged, because part of community work and youth work, is that sometimes our persons who are doing the work are not acknowledged that much. So I really appreciate you guys coming out to acknowledge me for this venture. And I want to also big up the sponsor, D Double Floral, for doing great work and sponsoring, and for Well Jamaica for doing such a great work also.
That's it for this installment of Live Well Jamaica Unsung Hero. Look out for next month. We are looking for you to nominate your unsung hero. You can send nominations to info@livewellja.com. Until next time, I'm Ashley Almott. Bless.